In this video, you will learn how to create a Gantt chart in Adonis. A Gantt chart shows objects as bars on a timeline. Two attributes determine the start and end date of the bars. Click on Plus Chart. Select Gantt. To create your own configuration, choose the types of objects you want to see and the attributes for the start and end dates. Click on Update View. And there you have it. Additionally, click on Color to enable coloring and create your own heat map. Alternatively, use a template. The necessary options will be selected automatically. Don't forget to save your analysis. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.